What if interacting with your city to solve problems were as easy as liking a photo on Facebook?
Civic hacking gives all of us the ability to take data and use it for some other use. It brings other people with different perspectives to look at that data for their particular use.
When I was young, my mom was very involved in my local community within my school. A lot of citizens have this mentality of shaking the vending machine when they're interacting with their local government.
It's really a challenge for government to find different ways to engage citizens. And I think that's why a lot of people are getting involved with the civic hacking movement, because although hacking is traditionally meaning code, we really, at a fundamental level, it's hacking the system. It's fixing the system in a way that works for us, that it may not work right now. And I think that's really the power of civic hacking and the power that it provides citizens so that they can kind of get what they want out of government.
Open data, it's just like having all the ingredients of a cake, let's say. But unless you know how to use the different ingredients and what you might get at the end, it's not very interesting. Once you have them, you have a story and you have a vision of how you're going to use that, and maybe what the cake's going to taste like and how it's going to really serve everyone, then you have the complete story. One of the great applications that was created by the Code for America Brigade is called Wasteline, and it solves the problem that I have every Monday night when I sit down and say, oh, tomorrow's trash day. Is it trash day or is it trash and recycling day? The Wasteline application allows me to go in, enter my address, and it'll actually tell me, is it trash day or is it trash and recycling day?
There's an application called SeeClickFix that allows citizens to report a non-emergency issue to their city, and it gets channeled through city government to the right department to fix it.
Some of those ideas were like, for example, when I'm navigating and running and biking on our city greenway system and it forks, I don't know where it goes, or where's the nearest bathroom when my child has to go. I mean, these are real world problems, and government doesn't have the means and the capital just to build an application. I mean, they're focused on filling potholes. Then that's a huge opportunity for citizens with a developer background to step up to the plate, take the data that's being provided by government to build a mobile application on their own, put it in the App Store, and let citizens bring it down.
So a lot of people ask me, why should I even care about open data? Well, the thing is, all the data that we provide in the town, everything that we do is open. It is your data. And the whole goal of open data movement is to take that data and open it up and make it available to people. People can use the data to solve a problem like, what day is my trash coming? But they can solve even bigger problems, like what does the trending look like in our police department, right? So a lot of these social issues can be found out, can be gleaned from this very important data. So open data really is just a treasure trove of information that we haven't even just scraped the surface of what we can do with it today.